Okay, first day of weeks are that. That's why once again we started those lessons which are already done from me side. Whatever incubation period, duration period, those are the dormancy period which can be given in between first semester and up to 2 days now. Within that duration, I want to cover those lessons which are remaining as earlier as I want to cover. If you study about that lessons are that those lessons which I firstly done. Once again I start by remaining points are metal and non-metal. Sir, if you study about that lesson, first of all, at the time of starting of that lesson, I clarify that to term metal and non-metal, why it is that? Is it a real term? Is it a necessity? Is it a right term for that lesson? At that stage, I want to detail brightly given for that. Why it is chosen certain types of letter, title, metal and non-metal. Sir, students are eager, curiosity, inspiration, do something. Is you eager for teaching? That's why that lesson can be started by using question asking method. He asked two types of question which are too much easy. Which are the types of element? Some students say metal, non-metal, better for me, I want that. So that's why direct point of angle reaches to them. Second of all, we start those metal appliances which are used in household appliances. Are you given name? Some say copper, sodium, potassium. I want that name from student. That are the pump out idea. That are the digger out idea. Those question asking method which they allow in textbook, I want to taken from students which are necessary for completion of metal and non-metal. That time my teaching become easier. That are the right angle, that are the right target which I possess from textbook. If it is worse, then he is not saying already 2.5, 4 or 5 billion of years ago there are the mixture, compound and also elements. If elements are discovered, that time those scientists which can be present at that age, they can be do something over them. That's why they classify title, metal and non. But here I have no sure, no confidence, no any 100% you are certain types. That's why saying confirmation, confirmatory test, are you certain types? That's why lesson started. Lesson can be started from physical properties of metal. From my point of angle, which is in observing previously lecture, which point I cover. Physical state, malleability, ductility, luster, brightness, conduction of heat, conduction of electricity, last of all sonorous, MP, BP, density. Each and every externally morphological point of angle, naked eye, externally appearance which you observe, is my call to you, you belong from family metal, you are reaches to 80%, 20s are remaining. I am not totally sure you are certain types of metal, but your study going on with some angle, physical properties of metal, you can be detected to call metal. But when you study about them, one points are left out, remain out. Aside from that track, which are this non-metal. That's why those points which are learned, it is known as teaching point. In teaching point, you can be learned about study of properties of non-metals. Sir, which are the non-metals? Carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, those metals, elements which are present left hand side of the periodic table, all non-metals are. But in your textbook, some physical properties also detected toward the non-metals. Which are they? First of all, their physical state. Sir, what is the physical state? Observe that side. Metals occur in solid form, only solid form. Here which occur there. That time it can be occur in solid, liquid and gases. 3 phases here occur. If you observe solid phase, that time it can be occur in suitable example, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur. If you observe liquid phase, that time bromine available. And last of all, if it is of gaseous phase, O2, N2, H2, these are the possibility. Although belong from non-metals are the I showing that phase. Allow for threes, allow inside threes, solid, liquid, gases. That's why non-metal physical state, location, position, handling and survive nature, it can be occurring three phases: solid, liquid and gases. Second, luster, brightness, glowing ability. If you rub upon them, is it a sunshine nature? It does not show. What I say. Non-metal always rejected every property which are shown by metals. Non-metal does not, never possesses lusterousness, does not showing any brightness. But some are exception also occur inside that property, which are the iodine and chrome. Diamond, allotropic form of carbon. They are non-metals are there, but it can be shown in brightness. That's why luster can be showing in another. Luster can be occurring iodine and diamond. These are the second property which always means it does not, as like to some are there, some are not there, always rejected everything. That's why non-metal belong from another category. That's why each and every property which are readily shown by metal are rejected everyone, but inside them somewhat exception also allowed. Third, malleability and ductility, that are increasing sepan size and increasing length towards when we extended, never also shown by non. That's why additional letter in front of word metal, non-metal. Whatever shown property on other sides are there, I am not showing here side, but also example. That's why once again I say malleability and ductility, that two property never shown by non-metals. That's why three properties are one. Second, third, malleability. Fourth, is non-metals are best conductor, super bad or poor conductor of heat and electricity? Non-metals are what I say, totally, entire, complete, never showing, not maybe chances. Non-metal does not showing or bad conductor of heat and electricity, except here graphite, which is used in pencil. Graphite also allotropic form of carbon showing two allotropic form. Diamond also occur in lusterousness. And second of all, graphite, which is used in electrolytic cell. If you pass the electric current or heat, they may be transported through them. That's why non-metals are bad conductor of electricity, except graphite. Last of all, non-metal have low BP, melting point, fusionability, and boiling point, which are occurring conversion into at one stage, which is converted to 100 degrees Celsius. That's why BP and MP about non-metal always low. That's why one side melting point and boiling point of all metals. It may be tungsten or anyone's are that you are reaches to fusion them 300, 8,008 degrees Celsius. But here not occur. It says that I have low, as soon as you melt them suddenly fusion. That's why they are low BP as well as MP. That's why once again I can renew, once I can tell that point, those are reaches about non-metals. Once physical state, metal showing physical state, solid, liquid, gases. It is occur in three form, while non-metals occur in three states. Non-metal does not show lusterousness except iodine and diamond. Non-metal does not showing malleability and ductility. Fourth, non-metal does not possesses luster except diamond and iodine. Non-metals have low BP and MP. That's why two row or study for that lesson continuously follow, from which student easily understood which are the metals and which are the non-metals. If they confirm very well, that time they are short time reaches to chemistry. Chemistry show formula, solution, crystalline, number of organic solvent. Is before reaching to that formula, it is necessary to understood metal as well as non-metal. That's why that procedure, that lesson introduced here, we can be covered up to distinguish between metal as well as non-metal. Tomorrow we can be carry chemical property. Once again we are reached just to 80% to call you are metals, but because of helpful nature by using chemical property 100%, I assure you, you are belong from metals. From my point of angle 4 or 5 chemical property which can be introduced in your textbook: reaction of acid, reaction of water, reaction of air, formation of ions, and one is the electropositivity. Tomorrow you can be deep learn about this. Whatever points which are over on today, you can learn on them. Thank you.